Let's talk about the drug development process. Bringing a drug to market is kind of like launching a new iPhone. I mean, you can't just drop a new product without testing it, getting it approved, and making sure it doesn't blow up someone's face. Am I right? Let's break down how new drugs actually make it to the market. Welcome back to Intro to Biotech, Clinical Research, and Pharma, where we're talking all things life science industry, what it is, how it works, and how you can find your place in it. First up, discovery and preclinical phase. Let's call this the Shark Tank of drug development. In this phase, scientists come up with ideas, test different compounds, and they're looking to see what might work. You can think of this like Apple designing a brand new iPhone from scratch. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that 90% of ideas fail before they even get to the point of testing on humans? Lab testing is being done on cells and animals to check for safety and effectiveness. After the Shark Tank phase, products that survive preclinical testing move into clinical trials, what we'll call beta testing. This is where we test the actual product on real people, kind of like when Apple releases a new software update in beta mode. We have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 is where the product is tested on a small group of healthy patients. The purpose of this phase is to ensure that the product is safe. Phase 2 is when the product moves on to being tested in a larger patient population with the intended disease. This is where we're looking to see, is the drug effective? Does it work? Phase 3 involves testing on hundreds to thousands of patients, both nationally and sometimes internationally or globally. Here, we're looking to confirm that the product is both safe and effective. In the United States, the next step is FDA review. Other countries have a similar process. Data gets submitted for review and a decision is made of whether the product is approved or needs some more work. Once clinical trials prove that the drug is both safe and effective and the product is officially approved, it's time for the product launch. In the US, the FDA reviews all of this data, which by the way, can take months or years. And once approved, if it's approved, it hits the market like a brand new iPhone drop. So now you know all about the drug development process, but why should you care? Well, this process takes money, people, and operations. It means roles in project management, finance, marketing, legal, HR, and clinical research all play a major part. I hope you were paying attention because now it's your turn. In the comments, explain the drug development process in the simplest way that you can. No fancy science terms allowed. By the way, make sure you join me here on live every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for office hours to ask any questions that you have. I'll see you in the next class.